Hello beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. Yes, you're on the right channel, you're not lost. Yes, so on this channel I do share how you can make your own products using all natural products. Yes, for your hair and your body and your face. It's possible to have healthy skin, without using any toxic ingredients. Yes, and we also formulate natural hair and body products, and we also talk about how to excited because we are going to make an Ayurvedic, deep conditioner which will strengthen your hair, revitalize your hair, and it will like make your hair moisturized, strengthened, and manageable. Yes, so like Vedic are very important in hair regimens. Like I've been, of course, trying out different Vedic oils. Now today, like it will be my, I think, second or first time using a Vedic deep conditioner without adding avocado or banana. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until
So
to the
these
end.
are different herbs powders that we are going to use for this Ayurvedic deep conditioner. So we have Moringa and Aloe powder. So Moringa is good, is excellent for dry or damaged hair and hair growth. It has vitamins A, C, A and B to nourish the hair and promote hair growth. It has zinc, which helps stimulate hair growth, and has amino acids, which can help treat hair damage. And aloe powder, like it's concentrated powder made from aloe vera, it has excellent natural moisturizer for dry or damaged hair and promote growth. And we're also using Ashgwanda. Ashgwanda like stimulates the um, product of DHEA, a natural hormone in your body that is ultimately rich in antioxidants that has a help combat, that's like Ashgwanda help combat free radicals and in turn promote growth. And fenugreek is also good. It slows down the ability of DHA to attach to your hair follicles and stimulates growth. And hibiscus is good for hair loss, makes hair look healthy, lustrous, prevent premature graying, thicken, and add volumes and treat dandruff. So like I ended up not using hibiscus glyceride. I totally forgot. Aloe gel is rich in proteolytic enzymes that heal and repair damaged cells in the scalp. In this turn, it improves the health of hair follicles and boosts hair growth. So, proteolytic enzymes also stimulate the dormant hair follicles, promoting growth of hair. Raw honey is an emollient which is capable of soothing and softening hair. It conditions the hair, reduce breakage. It has antibacterial and antiseptic qualities, which prevents scalp issues. Issues like dandruff, eczema, and psoriasis, allowing for hindering hair growth. And it also has the strengthened follicles, which keep hair full. We also have our water, which is free of toxins, pollutants, and the microbials. Yes, so it will act as a solvent to mix our product. And we also have stimulating herbal hair growth oil. So this oil is packed with different herbs like rosemary, peppermint. It's packed with aloe vera oil, neem oil, hibiscus oil, a lot of oil, so it's rich. Yes, so now we are getting a bowl. Make sure that you get a clean bowl, and we'll start mixing our powders.
So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so and click on that red subscribe button. If you want me to continue bringing you such videos, make sure that you subscribe and give me a like and comment in the section below. Like, I really love comments. Yes. One tip that I need to tell you is, like, you need to put on dark colors because you don't want to spoil your garment, because we don't know if these already can stain our clothes. So that's the reason why, like, I'm putting on black, because black is okay. Yes. Right. So like it looks so beautiful. It will really work well for our hair. Yes. So you can try out this at home. Yes. So like if you tried this before, you can find the comment in the section below. I'd like to hear from you. I'll be very glad to interact in the comments. Okay. Starting off on freshly washed hair, you have to make sure that you apply this treatment on clean hair. And make sure that you apply in sections. So applying in sections will really help like to coat every strand with whatever product you are using.
So now, like, I had itching everywhere, contact dermatitis, and I thought it could be aloe.